Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix app not downloading problem, and this feature is occurs in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone, and how you can do if this occurs. First you have to need to set a password for it, and first of all you can see I have to download this app and just installing, and after it showing this feature and this problem, how you can fix it so easily. So you have to go to the settings first, then scroll down, you have to click on fingerprint, face data and screen lock, then you have to click on screen lock, and if you have not set screen lock, then you have to click on pattern, pin or password. And friends, then you have to click on screen lock, then click on pattern, pin or password. Friends, then you have to click on pattern, pin or password. If you have already set, then you have to delete it and again you have to set. I have chosen pattern. Then you have to click on remember your password and press on got it. Just set your password like this and click on to confirm this, and you have to add your fingerprint too. And if you want to fix these problem, then you have to add fingerprint and face lock to fix your problem. Just click on add, then you have to just put your fingerprint over here, press and lift after you feel the vibration like this. And friends, after that you have to press on done, and you can see fingerprint is set. Then you have to set face unlock here. First you need to have draw the pattern like this, then put click on start and put the face on your this tab. Then you have to click on this next, and friends, after that you can see added successfully, and you can set more faces from here also and click on done. And after that you have to press back, click on the Play Store, and then you have to download any app like this, and if it is occur you have to click on. And friends, you can see it is showing to prevent unauthorized purchases or biometrics, you have to verify by using fingerprint or face or any of your password. Friends, then you have to just remove it by like this, and then again open Play Store and this click on this, search any of your app you want to install like this. Friends, then just click on install and click on I agree, and then you have to press here fingerprint like this, and you can see your setting has been saved, and now this app is installing, you can see, and your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.